So we are making crispy pork bits better than lechon kawali because it can be done in less than 30 minutes. Ito. So I have some pork belly, liempo, cut into small pieces, around half an inch, no? Thick. Yan. No bones, just the pork belly. So ideally, your pork belly has a nice layer of fat and lean, no? Because all the fat gives it all the flavor. And it's very simple to do. All you need is an air fryer. Cut it up, bowl, and let's season. Very simple. Start with salt and pepper. Always salt and pepper. Yan. Around a teaspoon. Black pepper, half a teaspoon. Garlic powder. Paprika, or you can use 5-spice powder. Masarap din yung 5-spice powder. Yan. Mix everything together. That's the base seasoning. And the nice thing about this recipe, you can add whatever spice you want, no? You can make it like with Italian herbs. You can make it Asian. You can even add curry powder. So it's really up to you, no? So you can make it taste whatever you want. You can flavor it whatever way you want. If you have time, you can let it sit and marinate for a while. Or kung hindi, pwede na diretso. So, to make it really crispy, I have a combination here of all-purpose flour, cornstarch, and vegetable oil. So, the vegetable oil is very important to really make it crispy, no? Pero hindi siya magiging greasy because we are using an air fryer and it will drain all the fat. So, it's less sinful. Ganyan. Mix lang natin, no? Very nice. And let's add it to our air fryer. Mix everything together. And it's very important, paglagay natin sa ating air fryer ay we put a distance between them. Hindi sila close. Hindi sila bati. Arrange natin. Dump it there. Para mabilis, dump it there and scatter it around. You see, ha, konting oil lang gamit natin. Spread it around. Spread it apart. Yeah, that's good enough. And we will cook it for 12 minutes on each side para sigurado tayong crispy. Let's set our air fryer to 200 degrees for 12 minutes on each side. Halfway through, babalik ta rin natin para maging crispy on both sides. Yan, gagawa muna tayo ng ating sausawan. Let's make a very yummy dipping sauce for this. So, eto pwede namang suka at saka toyo. But today, we're making like a sriracha mayo kind of dipping sauce. And it's going to be so nice. We're adding some garlic. 2 cloves is fine. So, here I have my garlic. Just grate my garlic. And this is such a wonderful recipe kasi sobrang niyang daling gawin. And it satisfies everyone who loves pork. Yan. So, pwedeng pangbaon. A quick dinner recipe. Home from work, daan ng grocery. Prepare this very quickly. So, what I do with my garlic, I will season it with salt to be able to extract a lot of the garlic flavor. I'm going to mash it pa with the salt to extract that garlic flavor. So, I don't have whole bits of garlic. Para siyang nagiging paste, di ba? And now, I will add my mayonnaise. You can also use Greek yogurt. Sriracha. Ito, medyo marami to. It's going to be too spicy. I'm just adding like around a tablespoon or 2 of sriracha. Honey for some sweetness. Not too sweet, no? We don't want it to be too sweet. Pepper. And to finish, we're just adding a bit of lemon. So, what I will do here, add the zest, a little bit of lemon zest, add some lemon juice. Mix, mix, mix. No? That's our dipping sauce. Ang bango, ang bango. No? Smells so good. Beautiful, no? See? Then time to turn it. So, all the fat is rendering. Kaya maganda tong ating air fryer because you get all the excess fat out of your food. Yan. And now, let's continue to air fry for another 12 minutes. And let's prepare a side salad. Just for some freshness kasi itong dipping sauce, medyo rich, no? So, ito siya, balance pa rin. We're looking for balance. So, when you're using an air fryer, you have more time to spend with your family kasi mabilis lang magluto, di ba? Like, recipes na sobrang simple like this. Pero still the same. When you taste it, sobrang sarap. Perfectly balanced and complete with the sides. Half an onion, and let's just julienne, cut into thin strips. Onion, and our tomato. Simple salad, no? For some fiber. And let's make a very simple dressing. Yeah, this is add some spring onions or parsley or whatever you have. Chop, chop, chop. Lemon juice. Yan. Salt. Pepper. Yan. And we will slowly drizzle our olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil. This is healthy fat, healthy oil. Yan, no? Not too much. Yan, very simple. If you want to add a bit of honey, pwede din. Because sweet na yung ating mayonnaise, this one is kind of sour, no? Medyo tart. Just to create that balance. Very healthy tomatoes. Toss our dressing. Very basic dressing. Let it marinate for a few minutes kasi luto na yung ating pork. Very nice. Perfect, perfect. Let that sit. You can chill that. Ating sriracha mayo with some honey. Yan. Let's plate up. Check on our pork. And it's done! Look at that. Ang bango. And the nice thing about it, you don't have to let it drip any further. All the excess fat is underneath. Masarap ang fried rice. So, importante to aerate your crispy pork so it will be fully crisp. And let's plate up ating tomato salad on one side for some freshness. Diba? Ang sarap. This would be nice with, you know, with rice or even some flatbread. No? So, gagawa ka ng mga pita sandwiches with this. Just add some greens. So, may lettuce ka. Perfect meal na siya. Ang ating sriracha mayo. No? Very nice dipping sauce. And let's just plate up. Beautiful color, di ba? Look at that. Sobrang nakakatakam. So simple to do. Extremely satisfying. Look at that. Pork belly is always delicious when done right. And I will just show you how much oil have we extracted from our pork belly, which you can really use for your fried rice. Don't let that go to waste. That's a lot of flavor in there. And eto na siya. Crispy, garlicky, salty. Perfect with our dipping sauce. Plus, our very simple tomato salad. Wow! I want more. You want some? Oh. It's that simple to cook crispy pork belly in an air fryer. Try this recipe at home. You will surely love it. Kain muna tayo. Ang yummy! Please like and share my videos, and if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simple!